I'm bored, Mom. Can we go? Here, why don't I take you over to the playground? Whee! It's so much fun to swing! Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're opening up this fun on wheels stack and tow construction team. Wow, this looks like it's going to be lots of fun. You can hook the vehicles together and pull them along. You can also stack the cars inside of one another. Whoa, super fun. Let's check it out. We have 3 different mighty machines. Look, it's a cement truck. Oh, it's so cute and so small. I love the orange wheels. Look at the cement truck at the back. At the bottom, you can see some triangles. Here's a dump truck. Wow! There are the triangles. Our car can sit on top. You can also open up the middle vehicle. Oh, look, there are some more triangles. Our little cement truck can fit inside. Cool! There's a hook at the back. Our little cement truck can hook on. Look, there are squares at the bottom of this one. And there are squares on top of our bulldozer. On we go! The blade goes up and down. And we can open up the bulldozer and we reveal more squares. Just like that, all of our vehicles are in one mighty machine. Mommy! Yes, son? I see Daddy coming. Yeah, I see him too.
Hey, son. Hey, dear. How are you today?
Oh, we've been doing great. We've gotten so many wonderful things done.
Well, I was thinking we should go on a trip.
A trip? That'll be so much fun.
Yeah, I think I should take you to the construction site so you can see what it's really like.
Wow, the construction site. That sounds so cool. Are you sure it's safe for him? I mean, he still is really young, dear.
He's certainly old enough to see what his future holds.
Okay, you better get ready, Junior. Ready is my middle name. Let's go. Wait a second. Yeah, Mom? I don't think it's time for you to be driving on the road. You're gonna have to ride inside. Oh, Mom, don't you think I can ride on the road? Sorry, dear. No discussions about this one. Come on, climb in. Okay. Aw, man. Okay, we're ready.
Well, let's go then.
Okay, you lead the way. Let's go. Wow, we're here! Yay! Daddy, can I see how you dig?
Sure thing, son.
Just make sure to stay back so you don't get hurt. Aw, Mom! Wow! My dad's so strong! Junior! Junior, wait! Come back!
It's okay, dear. I got him.
I'm helping Dad! I don't know what I'm ever gonna do with that boy. Junior, if you don't stay next to me, I'm gonna have to put you back inside my truck. Okay, Mom, I'll stay next to you. But it is kind of boring here. I'd rather be working with the big trucks. But it's not safe for you yet, Junior. You're too little. Aw, Mom. No arguing with me. I mean it. Okay, I'll just watch. I'm bored, Mom. Can we go? Here, why don't I take you over to the playground? Yeah, that sounds like fun. Okay, follow me, but be careful. Okay. Oh, where did they go? I bet they went to the playground. Whee! It's so much fun to swing. Now to go on the merry-go-round. Spin, spin, spinning around. Spin, spin, spinning around. Hee. Be careful, dear. Yay!
Hi, dear.
Hi, are you done?
Yeah, I think it's time to go home.
Aw, I don't want to go home yet. It's time. We've got to go home. Aw, but I want to stay here forever. This is so much fun.
I'm sorry. When you're older, you can come work like me.
But I don't want to work. I want to play on the playground.
I think we can let him trail along with us. What do you think?
As long as he promises to not let go. I promise. I promise.
Well, then let's get ready to go.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.